Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. And today it's weekend and here I am in Bergen participating in Bergen City Marathon. So you could see the crowd, the excitement what this city has right now. So my relay would begin in 10 minutes, so I will cover more insights after completing my own relay. So I would be running for 3,210 meter and then I would be passing this baton to my counterpart. So before the starting, I just wanted to show you the excitement what this city has, and I will see you in some time. Till then, enjoy. So finally I'm coming back to my location from where we started. Now you could imagine the crowd and the people all over here, right? So this is the ending of marathon. Finally, I seriously don't have strength left right now, but the excitement and enthusiasm of this marathon, right? It is par excellence. I cannot express these things in words. There are two reasons: because I am speechless, and second, I don't have strength. Now you could see all the people finally. This is not a competition to other people and competitor, right? You were competing to yourself. You were competing to your own strength, your own endurance, that how you could challenge yourself. And finally, we made it. Now, imagine. All these people finally. We have done it. We have done it finally. So amazing people all over here. Now, so I have a cramp in my left leg right now. Even I cannot walk, but finally just we finished it. So that was the vlog I just wanted to show you, and now you could see that I cannot speak, I don't have strength, but finally I did it. So this Saturday it's really fruitful. Now all the people who have gathered here right now, they are offered Red Bull, water, whatever they feel, whatever they want, they can take it. I will show you here. Nej tack. Here water, here Red Bull. I will pick one more Red Bull. I need it. I will take Red Bull Zero, and here you can take cinnamon buns, which I will show you.
Sorry, man, get out.
Now you could see, if you want, you can take cinnamon buns because they will give you immediate energy. It might have eggs, so I won't pick it, but Red Bull works well for me. So that was the small video or small vlog I just wanted to cover. Now at 12 o'clock I would be going to a restaurant because my team would be there, so we would be having lunch there, right? We would gather and we will share our experience of this marathon today, because it would be my first time here in Norway when I just came, and right now I'm in Bergen. So I participated here. My team would go to a restaurant. We will have a good time. Now you could see the crowd and the people there all over, right? So that was a small vlog. I hope you must have liked it and enjoyed. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, just do it, and I will keep posting a lot of interesting content about Norway and Europe. Till then, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.